The violet is a symbol of faith and modesty. Sometimes it is the quietest voice with a modest message that holds the greatest wisdom. Violet speaks of promises kept, even when no one is watching. Who and what are you loyal to? Being faithful is not blindly following. It is a conscious choice to live from the heart and not from the ego. It is choosing to remain steady in a world filled with loud noise and empty promises.